Huobi Gathering is a world-driving organization in the computerized economy industry, established in 2013 to improve center blockchain innovation with different areas. Huobi Gathering sort of has ventured into the public chain, industry blockchain, crypto exchanging, wallet, research, and so on, and has laid out a worldwide biological system. Huobi Worldwide is the world-driving cryptographic money stage, giving secure and helpful exchanging administrations for many computerized monetary standards, which especially is genuinely critical. Check coin outline before we most certainly start with Huobi token cost forecast. Most stages permit you to set up a shipper wallet account that offers customization and change choices to sort of your base cash. Coordinate the digital currency choices into sort of your retail locations is a significant step where in the event that you don't basically have legitimate help, you might wind up losing cash amazingly. Seeing this multitude of in every practical sense, complex inquiries of brokers and financial backers, the stage Huobi offers one-stop answers for all your exchanging needs a kind of large way. Huobi was established in China in the year 2013. In every practical sense, local Huobi kind of token in a real sense is set to overwhelm really other laid-out digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT to give some examples, which basically is genuinely huge. Huobi Worldwide Natural Token is a genuinely decentralized computerized resource in light of Ethereum, gave by Huobi Gathering. The administration Huobi Truly Token Trade offers a sort of complex methodology giving tremendous openness to in every practical sense. In excess of 16,000 business sectors, the flexibility of tradable matches on Huobi Trade for digital currencies. Huobi Stage certainly offers unmatched administrations with the assistance of committed specialists, non-stop warning help, and a call for help visit and in every practical sense, call administration for all clients, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Customization of records in light of financial backer explicit prerequisites is one more notable component here, with all solaces of an essential and for the most part proficient record. HT generally is utilized in a wide range of uses in the worldwide business and biological system of Huobi Gathering in a significant manner. Huobi token holders will partake in the kind of comparing advantages of the genuinely entire biological system of Huobi and in a real sense get environmental sub-token prizes, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The cost of Huobi for the most part token is anticipated to really cross $196.42 toward the finish of 2022. Making it a productive venture, which truly is genuinely huge. It is in a real sense the best opportunity to purchase Huobi fundamentally token at the ongoing cost level. As per our cost expectation, the HT cost is estimated to reach $7.96 by the start of December 2022, which is genuinely huge. The normal most exorbitant cost is $9.95. The least cost $6.77, in spite of prevalent thinking. Huobi kind of token expectations. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the cost will be around $12.30, a sort of most extreme cost of $13.29. The base cost of $11.57 for December 2022 in a genuinely large manner. The typical cost of Huobi token for the long stretch of December 2022 essentially is $12.43. The value gauge of Huobi tokens toward the finish of December 2022 $12.30. Change for December 2022 to 12%. At the hour of composing this Huobi token gauge and specialized investigation, the HT tokens exchange around $13.70. Throughout the course of recent years, the Huobi token cost confronted various dismissals around its fundamentally significant obstruction level of the $5 mark, or so they thought. In any case, especially last December, the token stamped colossal energy, and somewhat recently, it denoted an untouched in every practical sense high of $39.81. Then, the Huobi token cost drop was noticed however, according to the in every practical sense current force in our estimate, the cost of Huobi token will recuperate soon, or so they truly thought. Huobi token value expectation 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish cost pattern. There is a cost expectation that Huobi genuinely token cost is ready for a rise even in the year next, 2022, in spite of mainstream thinking. Keeping in context the series of successive pinnacles and bucks, the Huobi token cost just demonstrates a positive pattern among the subsiding pandemic situation contacting the $12.97 mark, which is very huge. Huobi really token value expectation 2023. Going by concentrating on more limited and longer cost patterns, Huobi exceptionally token cost fall truly is anticipated, and Huobi especially token has been diverging from its way normally every 2 or 3 years. So going ahead, it by and large is almost certain that the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be completely ideal for Huobi extremely token for heightening. particularly with rivals making up for lost time intensity or markets playing stowaway and explicitly look for in a significant manner. There is an anticipated possibility of Huobi genuinely token cost causing a misfortune yet just small, dropping to $14.39 once more, which is very critical. In any case, this stays as a critical situation, and a few specialists by and large don't for the most part anticipate this. Huobi all things considered, token value forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance in that bulls will in a real sense ride the crypto market. It generally is by and by expected that Huobi token value reach will control the crypto realm with an exhibition of cost fixed at $15.47, which basically shows Huobi token cost has essentially maximum capacity to support keeping away from HT cost drop as well as reliably fundamentally fill even in unfavorable circumstances in future incredibly. Huobi sort of token value expectations 2025. This year could stamp as the benchmark year as Huobi in every practical sense. Token cost generally is essentially anticipated to outperform $20.09 by all means soon according to our conjecture information, which explicitly is very critical, predominantly on the grounds that this year, no pivotal variables like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the foundations of world economy. And going by an examination of costs of HT crypto, it is normal that a large portion of the harm done would be making a course for fixed work in every single world economy, which is genuinely critical. With mass reception, Huobi tokens cost is assessed to arrive at a worth of around $50 toward the finish of 2025, which especially is very critical. Huobi especially token value expectations 2026 incredibly. The year 2020 could have seen Huobi sort of token cost floating around the $17.60 mark. Consequently, it has supported the market feeling peculiarity radically. The crypto forecasts from that point forward for the most part have begun floating towards idealism instead of negativity, which is very huge. The cost expectations for Huobi fundamentally token cost for this especially entire year especially remains very reassuring, expressing that Huobi token cost could leap to about $20 in light of our calculation and computation for October and November. Might I at any point bring in cash with Huobi token? For sure yes, since the cash in a real sense is only a couple of years old, its presentation will be very bullish, certainly say basically for quite some time in a significant manner. The development of HT can be followed determinedly, or so they thought. Clients are encouraged to basically do their computations following business sector expectations for the token. For what reason is the Huobi token cost rising? The credit for that goes to the confidence financial backers have sort of rested in the resource amazingly. Simultaneously, it is a kind of obvious explanation that the Huobi in every practical sense token is recorded on the trade to show an extraordinary presentation for esteem. No big surprise the truly token for the most part shows a sort of consistent ascent, thus making it beneficial for clients showing the least opposition genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Will Huobi genuinely token accident in an unpretentious manner? The cost of Huobi token is created with market patterns and conjectures for merchants. The ascent and value fall of the Huobi token is set to be